Okay, so when you press the order online page on your website, um, there's a feature that we have called custom store announcement. See, this one is like an announcement that tells you that you have new deals or new sales that you offer at your business. You can change this. This is not the actual coupon code, it's actually a store announcement. So again, look, if you notice, each time I press this button here, it gives me a new pop-up message saying grand opening special, use coupon code grand25 to get 25% off. You can change that. So watch, let me show you how to do that. You go on the back end, you press this button here, the red one, press settings, and I can change it. Watch, I can go over here and then press this blue one here, store settings, and then scroll down, 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 down until you see custom store announcement. See right here? See how it says custom store announcement? You can change that. So just press the plus sign here so you can see it. Once you see all this, you can change it. Here I'm going to change something else. I'm going to say Happy New Year. We hope you had a new year. We hope you had a great new year. You can put any message you like, but since today is January 2nd, I'm just showing you an example of how you can change this. We hope you had a great new year. Or you can mention, a new coupon code or something different, okay? See, look, there's an option here. I can show this message again on the checkout page. So right now, I'm not gonna save it, but let me show you what I mean. Right now, when I press checkout, it doesn't show the message, right? It doesn't show anything. It just shows it when I press this button, okay? See, it says grand opening special. Now I'm gonna press save here. I'm gonna show a checkout page, and I'm gonna press save changes, okay? Now watch what happens after I press save changes. I go back to the website. Now I press order online. Now it's gonna show a different message. Look, it's gonna say Happy New Year. We hope you had a great New Year. Now when I go to checkout page, it's gonna say again. It's gonna say actually let me add something to the cart. I didn't add anything to the cart. Okay, let me buy something. Oh, online ordering currently closed. Okay, that's why. So right now, since you're closed, it's not gonna show on the checkout page, but you can show this message on the order online page and on the checkout page. So this is on the order online page, and when I press this, once the store is open, it will also show it on the checkout page too. If you only want it to show on the order online page, just do this. Go to store settings here, right here, the blue one. Scroll down, 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 and then turn this off. You see how it says show again on checkout page? What that means is that it will show this message, the pop-up, this wording here on the checkout page too. We're gonna go ahead and remove that. And there you go, like that. Okay, so what's the benefits of having this feature, the custom store announcement? The benefits is that when you make a coupon here, you can announce it to the customer so they know about the coupon code. Because right now when you make coupons, they don't know about it. So you have to tell them what coupon code you offer. So for example, if I go here and I make a coupon, the customer won't know what the coupon code is. So I have to tell them. So let's say I make coupon here. I say happy 5, okay? Happy New Year's. Okay, and I put a happy 5. Okay, so this is the coupon code. I give him 5% off. 5% off, and then expires end of the month. Okay. So this is because it's a Happy New Year's code. I use the code Happy5, and they get 5% off. And then I press add. Okay, now the coupon was added. Now, how do I tell the customers about the coupon code? I have to let them know because right now they don't know that they have to use this code. I'm gonna copy this code, and then I go to store settings here. And then once I go to store settings, I press this button here, and then I go back here again, right here. See custom store announcement. I said, we hope you had a great new year. Use coupon code, and then I'm gonna press paste. Happy5 to get 5% off. Okay, so now when they use this code, they get 5% off. So I'm gonna go ahead and save it. And then I'm gonna press paste. Happy5 to get 5% off. Okay, so now when they use this code, they get 5% off. So I'm gonna go ahead and save it. Okay. And then now I go here again. I refresh the page. I go to the order online page. Now it's going to show me the new code. Happy New Year. We hope you had a great New Year. Use coupon code HAPPY5 to get 5% off. Okay. Yeah. So you can change that. In February, you can do a new code. In March, you can do a different code. You can always add different codes to keep your customers coming back again and again and again. Okay. And that's how that works. So that's how you use the custom store announcement to show different messages on your order online page. Thank you so much.